What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you what are standard modules in Python. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
So previously, we have built this program that print the text in this file after 10 seconds. So what if I delete this file? Let me show you. If I delete this file and run this program, let's say python.py, it will show us an error. So to check whether the file exists or not, we will use a standard module. Standard modules are not the pre-installed modules from the Python. They are not in Python, but actually they are in Python. I want to say that they are present in Python, but they are not built-ins. They are just a standard template. Let me show you what are they. So to check them out, simply type Python, then system dot, first we import system sys, then sys dot prefix, then it will show us a path. Simply go to this path, it will take us to the Python directory, and here in this library it will show us all the library which are standard modules which we can use. Here are for emails, here are from other and everything. They are just numerous. So we will use one of them to check whether the file exists or not. We will use, let me show you here, import, the module name is OS, we'll import it and check whether the file exists or not. To check, please put this OS dot, then type path dot exist exist exist, then put the basis and put the file name here. Let's say my file dot txt, and we got an error. Okay guys, I forgot to put this colon here, then again write it, exist, then put the file name here, my file dot txt. It will say false. It means this file does not exist. But if I create this file, let's say my file dot txt, and again run this line of code, it will say true. That means this file exists. So let me write something in this file. Let's say I love Python, and here to put this code here, first import the library .os, then we want to check if this file exists, then run this program. If it does not exist, then we will show something error. Let me save this first. Let's create an if statement. If let's os dot path dot exist. What exists? My file dot txt. Then run, run this line of code. If it does not exist, else print file does not exist. Okay, so let's run the program. Okay, we got an error. Okay guys, we have to put this colon here and we remove this file line of code. Simply remove it and paste it from here. Now let me check. Clear this out first. Python py. Still an error. Sorry guys, let me check it again. Okay guys, sorry for this, but cut this and go here and run it from here. Hope this will run perfectly. Python.py. It shows I love Python, but if I delete this file and again run the program, first let me clear this out. Python.py. It will show. Okay, we have not saved it yet. Let me check it again. Still running. So what's an error? Okay guys, I got the error. The file has been deleted from here, but it is still there in my system. That's why it shows the file. But now if we run the program, it shows file does not exist. You can see that. And if I again create it, let me show you one more time. My files dot txt and write something here and save it, and again you can see it has been printed the text. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you and meet you in the next tutorial. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me below in the comment box. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.